Hello everyone, this is Vijay Kumar, Math faculty. Heartily welcome to my channel, Vedic Brilliant Math Educator. Today we are going to discuss real numbers, exercise number 1, problem number 2. In the previous video, we have seen how to find the HCF by using Euclid's algorithm. In this session, we are going to discuss one problem, concept based on division algorithm. Exercise 1.1, question number 2. Use division algorithm to show that any positive odd integer is of the form 6 cube plus 1 or 6 cube plus 3 or 6 cube plus 5 where q is some integer. So what we have to show in this? The odd integer in the form of 6 cube plus 1 and 6 cube plus 3 or 6 cube plus 5 we need to show. The general form of odd integers is 2n plus 1 or 2n plus 3 like this. It is so going on. So the general form of even integers are 2n, 2n plus 2, 2n plus 4, so on. The general form of odd integers is 2n plus 1 and 2n plus 3, 2n plus 5, so on it is. So in this case, we need to show the odd integer. Any positive odd integer is of the form 6 cube plus 1 or 6 cube plus 3 or 6 cube plus 5. So here b value, what is b? Already we know, we need to use the here division algorithm we need to use. So what is the division algorithm? A equal to b cube plus r and b greater than 0. This r values are 0 less than or equal, r less than b. So here b value is, we can take 6. Already we know the division algorithm. What is division algorithm? A equal b cube plus r. Here b value is greater than 0 and r value is 0 less than or equal, r less than b. So a equal b cube plus r. So b cube plus r means, what is the b value here? B value we can take 6. Now our solution, let a be any positive integer and b equal to 6. B value we can take 6. By division algorithm, what is division algorithm? That one you have to write it. A equal b cube plus r. Here b greater than 0 and 0 less than or equal, r less than b. Now b value you can substitute here. A equal 6 cube plus r. B greater than 0 means b value here 6 only. It is greater only. Means 0 less than or equal, r less than, b value is 6. B value we can take 6. Now we need to write the possible values of r we need to write. So the possible values of r equal what is the possible values of r? 0 less than or equal. 0 less than or equal means here we need to take including 0 means 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Up to 5 only we need to take. 0 less than or equal, r less than b. R less than b only. Now we are getting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We are getting 6 cases we are getting. So case number 1. What is case number 1? Here r value is 0. First case in. R value 0 you can substitute in the division algorithm. So a equal 6 cube plus r value we are putting here. R value is 0 means we are getting 0. So that equals 6 cube plus 0 is 6 cube. So 6q, how we have to write it? 2 into 3q we can write. So 2 into 3q means 2 into this value I am taking as a p. Here since p equal to 3q and p is some integer. P is some integer. So here 2p, the general form of even integers. The general form of even integers is 2n and the general form of odd integer is 2n plus 1, 2n plus 3, like that it is going on. So the general form of 2n means it is in the form of 2p also as it is only now. So we are getting here even number. So we are getting here even. Now case number 2. I am dividing here. Case number 2, R value is 0 is completed. Now R value you can take 1. R equal to 1. R equal to 1 value substitute in the division algorithm. So A equal 6q plus 1. 6q plus 1. 6q plus 1 means this one we can write 2 of 3q plus 1. So here 2 of 3q plus 3q. 3q I am taking as p plus 1. Here p equal to 3q and p is some integer. P is some integer. So 2p plus 1. 2p plus 1 means it is the general form of odd integer or even integer. It is in the general form of odd integer. So we are getting here odd number. Next case number 3. So what is the case number 3? R value we need to take 2. So R equal to 2. R equal to 2 means A equals 6q plus 2 we are getting. So in this you can take 2 as a common. You have to take A equal to 2 I am taking common means 3q plus 1. So 3q plus 1. So here 3q plus 1 we are taking as some integer. So that one p I am taking. So p equal here 3q plus 1. P is some integer. So 2p means the general form of even integers only. So here we are getting even number or even integer. Next, now case number 4. So R equal to 3 you can take. So division algorithm to A equal 6q plus 3. That equal 6q 3 how we have to write it? 2 plus 1 we can write. So in this up to here you can take 2 as a common. 2 we are taking as common means 3q plus 1 as it is. So this 3q plus 1 I am taking as some integer p I am taking. That equal 2 into p plus 1. P equal here 3q plus 1. P is some integer. P is some integer. So 2p plus 1. 2p plus 1 means that is the general form of even integer or odd integer. That is the general form of odd integer means odd number we are getting. Now case number 5, that is R equal to 4. So R value now substitute in this division algorithm. So A equal 6q plus 4. So A value is here 6q plus 4. 6q plus 4 means here you can take 2 as a common. 2 we are taking common means 3q plus 2. So here 3q plus 2. 3q plus 2 you can take some integer, that is p I am taking. So 2 into p. So p equals 3q plus 2 and p is some integer. So here 2p means the general form of even integers only this is. So we are getting here even number. We got here even number. Now just up to here I will rub and case number 4 I will, case number 6 I will take. Case number 6, that is R value is, last value is 5. R value 5 means A equal 6 cube plus 5. So 6 cube plus 5, 6 cube plus 5, how we have to take? This one we can write it 6 cube plus 4 plus 1 we need to write. Here in this 2 we can take the common, 2 we are taking the common means what is remaining? 2 I took the common means 3 2s are 6, q as it is, 2 2s are 4 plus 1. Here 3 cube plus 2, 3 cube plus 2 I am taking as some integer. So 2 of p plus 1. So here p equal 3 cube plus 2, p is some integer. P is some integer. So it is in the form of odd number or even number 2p plus 1. 2p plus 1 means that is the general form of odd integer. So we got it here odd number. Odd number only we got. Now what is our question? Show that any positive odd integer is of the form 6 cube plus 1 or 6 cube plus 3 or 6 cube plus 5. That one we need to show. So where we are getting the odd numbers, once you have checked it, r equal 0 means this is we got it here, even number we got it, and r equal 1 means 6 cube plus 1 means we got it here, odd number we got, and r equal 6, r equal 2 means a equal 6 cube plus 2 means we got here even number, and case number 4 in r equal 3 means here a equal 6 cube plus 3. 6 cube plus 3 means we got here odd number. R equal 4 means 6 cube plus 4. 6 cube plus 4 means even number. Next R equal 5. R equal 5 means A equal 6 cube plus 5. 6 cube plus 5 means odd number. So odd numbers where we got it here. A equal 6 cube plus 1 means odd number, and A equal 6 cube plus 3 means odd number, and A equal 6 cube plus 5 means we are getting odd number. Therefore, the conclusion must be, we can write it. So what we have to write it, that one? The positive integer is of the form is 6 cube plus 1 or 6 cube plus 3 or 6 cube plus 5. Six cube plus 5. So this total concept based on the general form of even numbers and odd numbers. We know the general form of even numbers and odd numbers means we are getting in easy way. We have seen how to solve the problem by using division algorithm. In the next video, we will discuss same type of problem using the division algorithm. If you have any clarification on this topic, do the comment. Please encourage me by subscribing my channel Vedic Brilliant Math Educator. Like and comment on this topic. Dear students, do you like this video? Please share to your friends. This is Vijay Kumar signing out. Thank you. Thank you very much.